It's my best friend. Look, Hayden, say hi. Look at how big Hayden is and little Courtney is.
What?
Say hi, baby.
Hey.
Today is officially our first day of packing for Vegas.
Yes.
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome. We haven't told anybody we're moving to Vegas. It's just like, basically, God was like, keep it a secret. You know what I'm saying? Don't do nothing till the ink is dry. So we ain't been saying nothing. And nobody knows that we're moving out of Chicago. We're just gonna do it because that's what we were told to do. And we're being obedient. So today's our first day packing. We went and picked up our first boxes this week. And we got 20 boxes, medium. And yeah, we're gonna start packing. Hello guys, I'm recording on my phone because I decided to just pull it out. My camera is over here somewhere. But y'all know we moving to Vegas. It's not a secret anymore, but for us, it just came out. Besides all the footage y'all already seen, for us, it just came out. So I feel like I can talk about it now, but we're trying to sell some stuff on Facebook Marketplace because we are going to be downsizing in our apartment, which we're super excited about. We have a 2,000 square foot, 3-bedroom apartment right now, and we're downsizing to a 12,000 square foot, 1,200 square foot and 2 bedrooms. So we're downsizing and we're going to also get like new furniture. Like we have a lot of masculine furniture, if you will. Like one of our friends came over and was like, you guys have a masculine apartment. And I kind of agree. I want to get like some white and gold furniture, some gray furniture. We're going to get a better couch than this. Like our couch is really pretty, but I want like a colorful, nice, pretty couch. So we're going to get rid of most of our stuff. So today I posted stuff on Facebook Marketplace and my goal was to get some stuff sold this weekend. We just sold our coffee table and our side table. This is another coffee table we had from the last apartment that was in the cat's room for them. But we brought it out because we were like, okay, we sold the other two, so let's bring out this one. Then we posted this one on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody just bought it and is coming to get it today too. So now we're out of coffee tables. I thank God, but it's crazy how this is working. So I'm super excited. I was a little nervous about how this was going to work, but people are coming to get this stuff. Like for real, somebody's trying to come buy this bike. Courtney just cleaned out this thing from IKEA. Somebody is going to want this soon. Somebody's asking about the bookshelf. I haven't even cleaned it off yet. We're going to sell this couch. We're going to post it today. I don't know how fast the couch is going to go, but we don't leave for another 2 months. But I thought it was going to take time. I thought it was going to take time, and it's not going to take as much time as we thought. So this couch might be out of here this week. And we have 3 couches in our house. The cats have their own couch, and then Courtney has a couch in her game room. And we're going to just bring her game room couch up to the front because we just got to do what we got to do right now. I want all the furniture sold in July because we move September. We leave the first week of September. So I want all the furniture that needs to be out by July. And then in August is going to be about packing, like solely about packing. So because we still going to be working. So, we really still need our regular time to rest and chill. So we're going to be packing in August. But this stuff is going. Also, this cat tower right here. Where is it? Right here. Somebody's trying to come get that today too. So it's crazy. The cats don't really use it. They're going to get a nicer one. Also, I have a tan. If you notice, we went to Miami this past weekend. And I have a tan. My edges look a mess. Same day. We just came to U-Haul to see what size truck we want to get. So we ain't even talk to nobody. We just came on their lot and we looking at their trucks. So that's A15. So we are going to drive a U-Haul and we're selling most of our stuff like I told you guys earlier. So we're really just taking our bedroom set, my vanity set and drawers, and one couch. And then the rest of the stuff is pretty much going to all be boxes, clothes, like decor, dishes, stuff in the kitchen, stuff like that. So, yeah, we definitely need this 20. You don't even say if this is a 20. I got the 15 inch right there. And it don't say nothing right here. I know it's a 20 because it got the Oh, well, that don't mean shit.
Not at all.
But I know we need a 20, not a 17. We need a 20. Like, I'm very sure of that. Okay.
In the back.
But yeah, so we're looking at trucks today. We have a goal list of things we want to get done each month before the 3-month period of us leaving. And we're down to 2 months, which is we're down to July. And then August is our last month. And we leave the first week of September, like I said. So yeah, this is one of our things on our checklist in July. So we're getting it done. We also are still selling stuff. Somebody's coming on later on to pick up the other coffee table. So yeah, we're getting active. Oh, I didn't tell y'all, we're gonna be towing our car. So U-Haul has the tow where you can hook the car on the back of the truck and you can just drive your car onto the ramp. We're gonna tow our car instead of driving our car, and then we're gonna drive the U-Haul. And pray for me, y'all. I'm getting my driver's license this week. I don't know about me driving that U-Haul. We'll be flipped over somewhere. Hello, July 28th. I'm putting boxes together. We're about to start packing up my shoes. We were selling everything in July, and August we're gonna pack. So August is on, what's that, Monday?
Tuesday.
August is Tuesday, so yeah. You got something to say?
I'm just so excited to get out of this hick-ass town.
We used to have our TV stand and stuff here, if you remember. I don't even remember. And this is what's left, so I'm gonna pack up this stuff tonight and then just stack all these baskets. We've been using this stuff to clean everything we've been selling. And we got 20 boxes today, extra large boxes, and I put together like 6 of them. Yeah, so we're gonna start packing up both of our shoes. Hopefully we have enough.
I'm sure we have enough.
Tomorrow I'll take my driving test, so hopefully I pass.
She's going to pass.
So we've been packing for a couple hours. Today we only packed up all of our shoes. So I just literally packed up all of my shoes. Here goes some shoes I'm getting rid of. Me and my cousin wear the same size. So I'm gonna give them to her. And then in here, I have 4 boxes of shoes, which is insane, right? 4 boxes of shoes. Let me show you how many boxes of shoes Courtney has. The lighting in here is terrible, but she has 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 boxes of shoes.
And that's my business.
But this is the crazy part. She has 15 boxes of shoes. I have way more. I have at least 20 more pairs of shoes than she does. But she has those, what they call, container store shoe boxes, but she has the extra large ones. So she only could put 6 pairs of shoes in each box. Versus I got like over 10 pairs of shoes in each box. But my shoes are small and they're in the original boxes. Sorry for the lighting. It's very orange lighting in the bedrooms. But yeah, I have way more shoes than her. And then also a lot of my shoes are loose. So that's something too. But I just thought that was so crazy because I have way more shoes than her. But I'm going to be getting the same thing she has, those container store boxes for my shoes once we move to Vegas. I'm going to start buying them, you know, as I can because they come in a set of 6. And sometimes the container store be sold out of stock. And I just got to have money for them because I got a bunch of shoes. So, but I'm getting a small, like the size smaller than hers because I only wear an 8 in women's and Courtney wears like a 10 in women's. So she got the extra large shoe boxes. I'm going to get the regular size ones, which will be smaller and less expensive. Bro, this is fucking insane. Cause them bitches is crunchy.
His nickname from his brother.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Say hey, babe. So, I know you guys don't know, but y'all know?
Yeah,
They know?
they know.
We moved to Vegas. Shit, we just packed up our shit and left. So, we're unpacking everything right now. We are at our new apartment. We unpacked the next day because anybody got time for that. We drove 18 hours to Denver from Chicago. And then we drove another 12 and a half, 12?
Yeah.
Another 12 and a half hours from Denver to Colorado. Denver to Vegas. So Yeah, so now we just getting it cracking. Y'all, we literally just finished fucking, I can't even talk. Lips dry as hell, thirsty as hell. But we literally just finished bringing all the boxes upstairs from the U-Haul. So all we got to do is just like return the U-Haul or whatever. And now all we have to do is like unpack everything. Y'all, I can't even. I felt so bad for my baby G. She really was struggling. Y'all know she got asthma. But we did it. We did it. So we did it. We did it. And I'm so happy to be in Vegas now. Alicia got so many blisters, she said. I'm super excited because this was a part of my 5-year plan. And I fucking did it. We did it. Not I fucking did it, but a young nigga getting skinny. Fuck. Oh, don't talk to me. If you see me in a 2-piece, mind your business.